we got this little toy belt. The guy told me it ran, you got to jump the battery, but it is key start. You see it running, but it won't move, okay? So we got it choked there a little bit. Let's see if it smooths out here just a second. Yeah, runs good. Got the Briggs and Stratton motor. With the deck cage and all. Oh, it's moving. Yeah, it's engaged. Okay. Switch center off. So the deck moves. But it won't self-propel, okay? But it runs. It's a project. It is gas. It has a 9-horse Briggs and Stratton motor on it. But we don't know how to shut the deck off, and we also don't know how to make it move. I would say that's maybe why I got traded, because it wasn't moving on its own. You'd have to push it. So, but it does run with help. It needs a battery. We had to jump it. Fires with the key, and you saw the blades moving.